Sunday Barley, natutulungan niya akong maging mas maayos ang pangangatawan ko.
Sa Sunday Barley, sa pagpapalaganap ng healthy living.
Sandy Salvo Sizzle Night 2025.
Oy, Kemong. John. Trades. Nakits.
Magbabantay ng mga gamit mo kasi po napakadami po natin today.
Uy!
Also, para sa mga team captains or team leaders, i-claim na po yung group style nyo para mangyayari na po yung team na
Synergy. Fashion. Hello guys, ito na, nandito na kami sa event. So waiting na kami para mamaya. So napakaraming tao sa labas. Nakapasok lang tayo dito sa loob para at least hindi gaano maingay. So isa tayo sa magsasalita ngayon sa big event nito ni Sunday. Isa tayo sa mga sharer. Okay, so guys, see you sa TikTok at sa mga partners natin. Dito yung daanan natin eh.
Let's give a thunderous applause to the Iron Man CEO of Pizza Sante Engineering, Mr. Joey Macedo. Moments of reflection, led by the Sante elites. Let their words fuel our ambitions and guide us towards a future where speed and success go hand in hand. Please rise for the invitation.
Our Heavenly Father, we stand here today, not as individuals, but as a united, powerful force.
United in vision, purpose, and spirit.
And as we embark on the race of 2025,
May we remember that this journey is not just about the destination,
But about how we choose to run.
how we choose to grow together.
And how we choose to uplift each other along the way.
They call upon the power of synergy.
And the strength of shared commitment. May we run this race with hearts full of purpose.
minds clear with vision.
And hands reaching out to support one another at every turn. As we race towards the future. We will honor the collective energy of our communities.
The passion, the drive, and the spirit of collaboration.
That makes us unstoppable.
May we embody the true meaning of living more, doing more,
And being more than we ever thought possible. In the spirit of greatness,
We rise together.
in the power of unity,
we race forward.
and in the faith of community,
We
will win.
Amen.
Please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. The engines of progress and set the pace for success. So fasten your seatbelts, power up, level up, and go for speed. Synergy, passion, energy, excellence, determination. Team Sante, the race of 2025 begins now. This is Sante Go for Speed Sizzle Night. Get ready to drift into a world of high-octane entertainment. The Sante stage is about to ignite with an upward night of extraordinary journey that will ignite our passion for exhilaration and speed. And to join us on this high-octane adventure, please welcome your hosts and race masters, DJ Sly and Candy Doubles.
What is up, Team Santa?
Alright, here we go, Team Sante!
YouTuber #1. And talking about Party Crush, tayong nagpakilala sa buong Pilipinas and very soon tayong magpapakilala sa buong mundo. Naniniwala ba kayo?
This is the big moment we've all been waiting for. Let's all welcome the latest member of the Sandy Marley family, one of the country's top TV hosts, and certified MMFF box office queen. Everyone, please welcome Asia's untomogable, phenomenal box office superstar, Vice Ganda!
Vice Ganda.
Sandy Brand Ambassador.
Magandang hapon po.
Hello, Vice!
Hi, MJ!
Bati ka mo, ang daming tao ngayon, Vice!
What's up, madlang people? Sumayin niyo ang kagandahan. Ay, Sunday na Sunday, di ba? Misang-misa. So, ayun lang po. Makakauwi na po ako.
Ay, wait!
Ayan, sige, picture lang yan. Huwag ka ng picturean, pero make sure, huwag ipopost agad. I-edit muna sa face app. Smile to. Smile to. Thank you very much po.
Thank you, Vice. Vice, have a seat. Ayan, grabe na. Welcome to the Sandy Marley family. Okay, magkwentuhan tayo.
Let's go!
Diba? Vice, gusto naming malaman talaga is, kailan ba nagsimula si Vice? Upo daw muna, upo. Ayan.
Huwag niyo pong pagkaitan yung mga nasa likod na masaksihan ng kagandahan ko, please. Everybody deserves to be blessed by my beauty today.
Correct! Ariana ka today?
Yes, Cynthia ka today, di ba? Weekend tayo today.
Weekend tayo. Okay, at this point, we are now proceeding with our Q&A segment. Again, we're requesting everybody to sit down. Upo tayo para makita ng lahat. Ayan. Thank you.
Ang dami palang tao.
Hanggang sa dulo, Vice. Oh, grabe.
Parang dapat ang parapol ka ngayon. Ay, dalawang kotse. Kasama ba ako dyan? Well, syempre, maganda kasi yung products ng Sandy Marley. Ang pinakamahalagang dulot nito sa akin, yung nabuboost niyang immune system ko. Syempre, through that, I am able to live for more kasi I am part of a very challenging industry. Diba? Very challenging and demanding. Nag-challenge at dinedemand niya so much of my time, of my strength, of my health. So, kahit ang daming privileges, opportunities na dumarating sa buhay ko, sa trabaho ko, sa karera ko, kung hindi ako physically fit, kung hindi ko kayang humarap sa mga hamon ng trabaho ko, hindi ko magagawa at ma-achieve pati yung mga marami ko pang mga pinapangarap na papagtagumpayan sa buhay. So sa pamamagitan ng Sandy Marley, natutulungan niya akong maging mas maayos ang pangangatawan ko. Diba? Mas maayos ang aking pangangatawan upang mas humaba pa yung lakas ko araw-araw. Kasi especially ngayon, ang stress level natin ang taas-taas. Diba? Parang, tapos yung 24 hours a day, ang bilis niyang nauubos. Pero bago pa maubos yung oras at yung araw, minsan nauubos na yung lakas natin. Hindi pwedeng mangyari yun. Kailangan meron tayong karampatang lakas ng pangangatawan upang maharap yung mga kailangan nating harapin at mapagtagumpayan araw-araw. Sa trabaho, personal o professional man yan, kailangan meron tayong sapat na lakas. At yung immune system natin ay kailangan nating kilalanin at mapahalagahan. At yun ang magandang tulad sa akin ng Sunday Party.
Galing! Well said. Sir Joey, why Vice ganda?
Ang hirap pagsundan si Vice, ano? Well, from day one, everyone knows Vice ganda. Pero nung nagkita kami ni Vice, kwentuhan kami, nung ko na-realize that there's something in Vice na I know magiging inspiration to all our business owners. Timing lang talaga yung movie, The Breadwinner, di ba? Pero what we are here for is really inspiring our business owners, we call them our business owners, inspiring them, people from ordinary background and now living an extraordinary life. Nung nakilala ko si Vice, sabi ko, siya yung perfect example ng isang Sante business owner who rose from the ranks. Kung kilala niyo si Vice nung unang panahon pa, di ba, comparing it now, ang layo na eh. Eh, nang nakikita...
Sa itsura ba yung tinutukoy?
Yung itsura, siyempre, maganda ng maganda, di ba?
I love you.
Pero nakwento sa akin ni Vice na nagiging inspiration siya ng marami niyang kaibigan. In fact, one of the things na nagustuhan ko kay Vice, sabi ko nga maganda minsan pagkwentuhan natin, is yung habit niya when it comes to money, spending money. Sabi ko, she can be an inspiration to a lot of people because at the end of the day, it's not how much money you make, di ba? It's how much money you save and you reinvest. And Vice is a perfect example of a person who handles her finances well. Napaganda ng kwento niya at naging inspiration siya, okay, to all people from all walks of life. And I think yung presence si Vice in Sante can really help a lot, not only Filipinos in the Philippines because we're already open all over the globe and we're already inspiring mga OFWs. So I believe Vice can be of big help dun sa advocacy ng Sante.
Alright, let's go back to your healthy routine, Vice, no? Kanina you touched on it already. Pero paano yung nagsimula ang umaga ni Vice with Sante? Parang, sabi mo, hindi ka na nag-breakfast, no? So yun na yung parang ini-intake mo before leaving the house and going to showtime.
Alam mo, isa pang magandang effect sa akin, magmula nung nag-take talaga ako ng Sante Party, natulungan niya ako sa problema ko sa constipation. Promise, kasi problema ko talaga yan. So masarap sa umaga na alam mong magaan yung tiyan mo, na ilabas mo yung mga toxins mo. So, doon siya nagsisimula. Yung pagkising ko sa umaga, diretso na ako ng CR, lahat ng mga ganap ko doon, maliligo na ako, magtutoothbrush na ako. At maraming pagkakataon na yun ang namimiss ko kasi wala siyang, constipated ako. Pero dahil sa Sante Party, doon siya nagsisimula yung nare-release ko agad yung mga toxins. So, mas magaan ang pakiramdam ko. At napakahalaga para sa akin na masimulan ang araw ko ng magaan ang pakiramdam ko kasi from home, as I wake up every day from home, diretso ako ng studio, I need to feel good about myself. I need to feel good kasi yun ang makikita sa akin at yun ang gustong makita sa akin ng viewers ko at yun ang gusto kong ma-share din sa viewers ko. Yung feeling good every day, di ba? Kahit hindi man every day, maraming pagkakataon, kailangan feeling good tayo. Gusto kong makapagpasaya. At hindi ako makakapagpasaya if I don't feel good about myself. Physically, di ba, kung mabigat yung pakiramdam ko. So, ganon lang ang araw ko every day. Magkikising ako, diretso ako sa salamin, at kakausapin ko yung sarili ko. Sasabihin ko sa kanya na napakaswerte natin, maswerte tayo, pinagpala tayo, magpapasalamat tayo sa Diyos. At today, marami pa tayong biyayang tatanggapin. At feeling ko kasi yun ang healthy life. Yung being able to live a life full of gratitude, di ba? Full of happiness, di ba? Marami tayong issues, marami tayong mga ikinaiinis every day, pero dapat hindi niya ma-invalidate kung ano yung magaganda, yung beauty around us. So, feeling ko a healthy life is a life living full of gratitude and happiness and, embracing the fact that whatever it is, whatever is happening, meron kang blessing na matatanggap every day.
Ganda na sinabi mo, Vice, I'm just listening to you right now kasi parang you're showing us balance.
Yes.
Physically, Sante Barley is helping you, but also having that positive mindset is also helping you.
kailangan talaga ano siya, combo siya eh.
Correct.
Yung physical and mental, yung mindset nga, kahit yung physical and mental, kailangan combined siya na positibo siyang nagsisimula sa umaga. Diba? Kailangan magsimula ka sa umaga ng may positivity. Siyempre, hindi laging positive ang ganap sa paligid all the time. Pero kailangan, meron kang enough ounce of positivity in your heart, in your body, para masabayan mo at malampasan mo even lahat ng uri ng negativities na papaligid sa araw mo araw-araw.
But will you recommend this as a family daily routine na?
Yes, of course. Even yung nanay ko nagsasanti party na. Even yung ate ko na doktor nagsasanti party. Kasi maganda yung ate ko doktor, nagtatanong ko sa kanya, okay pa to? Tama pa to? So, kami sa family ko, kami ng nanay, especially yung nanay ko, kasi nga di ba sinasabi natin sa ating party, live for more. Kung meron at meron mang tao sa buong mundo na ipagdadasal ko na for her to be able to live for more, yun yung nanay ko. At itong pagpapakilala ko sa kanya ng Sunday Party, masaya ako dahil isa to sa mga nagbibigay sa akin ng paniniwala na yung nanay ko, mas haba pang buhay, mas haba pa yung pagkakataon namin na magkasama at mas magiging maligaya pa kami magkasama.
Ganda. Ang maganda dyan, Vice, na-introduce mo si Santi Barney to your mom, to your sister. Sa younger generation naman, Sir Joey, kasi you've been tapping a lot of influencers, the biggest names in show business. Can we expect more influential ambassadors, especially to introduce this product to the younger generation?
Why? Am I not enough?
No, you are enough. That's why I'm saying, ang bilis ko doon ang buti na nakasagot ko agad doon, Vice.
When we were starting in Sante several years ago, most of our members are yung medyo older generations, Gen X, mga yan. Pero nakita namin na
For more should be everyone's mantra. I believe it should be everyone's inspiration every day to live for more. Kasi we were all born for it. Diba? We were all born to live for more. Hindi naman tayo pinanganak para magmukhang kawawa. Diba? Hindi naman tayo pinanganak para mapagkaitan. Hindi naman tayo pinanganak para hindi ma-enjoy ang buhay. Because life offers a lot of endless and limitless surprises and possibilities every day. At ipinangako yan ng Diyos sa atin. Diba? Na hindi tayo, kaya ang laki-laki ng ginawa ng Diyos sa atin ng mundo at napakaganda ng mga creations ng Panginoon. So bakit natin i-deprive yung sarili natin to live for more, to experience more, to enjoy more? Kasi that's what life is all about. Diba? Ipinanganak tayo hindi para magmukhang kawawa at ipinanganak tayo para ma-enjoy ang lahat ng pwede nating yakapin na magagandang biyaya.
Ganda, Vice. Now, as we close this segment, Vice, napakaraming tao ngayon dito sa World Trade Center sa Pasay City. Iba sa kanila, malayo pang pinanggalingan. But they're very excited to welcome you as the new member of the Santi Barley family. Anong mensahe mo sa kanilang lahat?
I love you too so much. Well, first and foremost, I want to say thank you to you, sir, and to the entire Santi family. Thank you very much for welcoming me to your wonderful family. I am just so proud to be here today and to be with all of you. I'm so proud to say na, at last, part na ako ng Santi family. And I am very proud of all of you. I am very proud of all of you. The first time that I was able to talk to him, we talked about the kind of people na bahagi ng pamilya nito. And I was just overwhelmed to know that Santi family is a family of breadwinners. Diba, napakarami sa inyo. Alam ko, ginagawa niyo lahat ng ginagawa ninyo ngayon, hindi lang para sa mga sarili ninyo. Dahil ang pangarap ninyo ay hindi lang naman pangarap para sa mga sarili ninyo. Pangarap niyo yan para sa buong pamilya ninyo at sa mga taong mahal na mahal ninyo. And I know all of you are working very hard to achieve your biggest dreams, not just for yourselves, but for the family that you have, for your most loved ones. Diba? Kaya I am very proud of you at ipagpalain kayo ng Panginoon at naway lahat tayo makaranas ng magandang buhay na deserve natin, na maa-achieve natin mula sa pagpapala ng Diyos at sa hard work na ginagawa ninyo at sa oportunidad na meron tayong hinaharap araw-araw. We are very proud of you. More power. God bless you. At magkita-kita tayo sa finals ng masasaya at mas masagana.
There you have it! Again, congratulations to the Sandy Barley family. Siguro tayo na tayo sa gitna for quick photos, no? Vice and Sir Joey, we can only pray for your fruitful partnership with your latest brand ambassador.
What for our first topic?
Yes.
First topic is all about tonight, and we are talking about synergy, strength in numbers.
So kung mapapansin nyo, speed ang ating title ngayon, di ba? The first letter S stands for synergy. And so to bring depth into our topic today, please welcome to the stage a visionary leader who knows the true meaning of synergy. Give it up for Yellow Diamond Executive Director, Francis Aladano!
Awesome, Sandy!
Isa ka ba sa mga tao handang gawin ang lahat para mataguyod ang pamilya mo? Paano kung may isang opportunity na pwedeng makabago ng buhay mo, igagrab mo ba? Igagrab mo ba? Mga kaibigan, ang inyong pong lingkod ay dati pong merchandiser sa supermarket for almost 8 years. Nakabig po ng team. Team Universal Champions, magingay! I'm doing this business, going 9 years right now. At ang team ko mga kapatid ay binubuo ng iba't ibang klase ng katayuan. May merchandiser, factory worker, service crew, janitor, call center, teacher, cum laude graduate, mga estudyante, full-time at marami pang iba. Siyempre, unang-una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord. Na dinala niya ako sa tamang company, sa tamang opportunity sa Sante International. Alam niyo po mga kaibigan, hindi ko rin magagawa ito kung wala po akong grupo, hindi po ako nakapag-build ng team. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Team Universal Champions. Grabe, sa hirap at ginawa. Naalala ko dati mga kaibigan, nung nagsisimula ako sa Sante, dalawa lang kami, ako at si Lord. Pero ngayon, ang dami na namin, naiisa ang goal, makuha ang mga pangarap at matulungan ng pamilya.
Will follow. Kaya after kong binago yung approach ko in building my Sunday business, ito na po yung nangyari. In 3 years, nakapag-produce po ako ng 7 direct diamond lines.
Energy. Gusto kong maramdaman ang energy nyo, Sunday! Pakisigaw, Sunday Barley number 1! Sunday Barley number 1! Kung gusto mong mag-momentum ang taong 2025 mo, ang kailangan mo, pataasin mo ang energy mo sa pagninegosyo mo.
Hi, fans!
Vic Soto,
Sant Brand Ambassador.
Ikaw ulit na sigawan. Mahina, hindi ko marinig. Dito sa kaliwa. Dito sa kanan. Aside, seriously, iba talaga yung nag-aalaga ka ng iyong kalusugan para sa pamilya. At hindi lang po para sa pamilya, para po sa inyong lahat. Dahil kayo po ang walang sawang sumusuporta sa amin, sa aming mga palabas sa telebisyon, sa 8 Bulaga, sa aming mga pelikula, yung walang sawang suporta ninyo. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat ng marami. Taus-pusong pasasalamat sa inyo lahat, mga Dabber Cans. At dahil doon, nabanggit ko yung salitang suporta, todo suporta naman ako sa Sante Barley sa pagpapalaganap ng healthy living. Kaya uulitin ko, let's live for more!
Live for more! Bossing, ayun na nga. Kakagaling nyo lang po ng Japan at belated happy wedding anniversary. Milestone after milestone po. Kamusta yung lakaran doon? At paano nyo po ini-inspire yung mga kapwa Dabarkads natin to live for more din?
Salamat sa bati mo ha. 9 years na po ako may asawa.
Woo!
Ikaw ba, Sir Joey, ilang taong ka na? Ilang taong ka na may asawa?
24 years na, boss.
24 years. Buti ka pa. Yun na nga. At para sa mga Dabarkads, napakahalaga po ng ating kalusugan. Yan po ang isang kayamanang hindi natin mabibili, hindi natin mabebenta yung ating sariling kalusugan. So, paano natin mapapanatili ang magandang kalusugan? Siyempre, healthy lifestyle, proper diet, exercise, at lalo-lalo ng gaganda ang health mo pagsasamahan mo ng isang basong Sante Barley sa umaga.
Bossing, yun nga, curious kami ng mga kasante barley mo. Team no sugar added ka ba o team stevia pagdating sa Sante barley?
Stevia or no added sugar?
No added sugar.
NAS?
NAS.
Pareho masarap eh. Pareho masarap yan. At parehong health benefits ang naibibigay. Pero sa aminin ko, tumatanda na tayo pero hindi naman halata.
Sa true!
Bakit? Halata bang 50 na ako? Joke lang. At, yun na nga, para sa akin na nagkakaedad, team team no added sugar.
Team NAS.
Added sugar ka. No added sugar ka. Bakit ka mo? Para pure. Pure barley ang may inom mo. Mas healthy at talagang maganda sa ating mga katawan. Talagang live for more.
Grabe. Maraming salamat sa inspiring words, Bossing. Pero syempre bago ka natin pakawalan, meron ka pa bang gustong mensahe sa ating mga Dabarkads na talagang nagpupursige rin ipalaganap ang Sante Barley sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. At balita ko, global ngayong 18th year!
Oo naman! Congratulations, Sir Joey. Ang galing mo. Ang galing din yung lahat. Nais ko kayong i-congratulate sa pagpapalaganap ng healthy living sa pamamagitan ng ating Sante International. Congratulations. Hindi ako nagkakamali, 18 years. 18 years, nagdibo na. Nagdibo na. Ang Sante International. Kaya, panatilihin natin ang magandang kalusugan. Ipalaganap natin ang magandang kalusugan. Hindi lang para sa atin, para sa ating pamilya, para sa buong Pilipinas, para sa buong mundo. Salamat sa inyo. Love you all.
sapatos nang tumatakbo ako.
Coach Rio.
Nag-start ako.
Sounds
Kasi
brand
mahirap lang
ambassador.
po kami. Separated po yung parents ko. Naghiwalay sila nung ako po ay 5 months old. And ito po yung aking parang giving back to my university. Pupunta po ako sa palarong pambansa. Tumitingin po ako ng mga athlete na pwede po natin mabigyan ng pagkakataon na makapag-aral din sa university. And then, pag umuwi po sila sa probinsya nila, sila naman po yung tutulong doon sa mga kapwa natin, mga kabataan, para magkaroon ng opportunity, no? And siguro yung challenge at saka yung sacrifices along that journey, medyo kakaiba lang din po dahil nag-require siya ng discipline at saka sacrifices, no? During the high school day and college, I have to decide kung gusto ko talagang maging best.
Today, we're diving into a powerful word that shapes success, builds legacy, and inspires transformation. And that is excellence. Good evening, everyone. Sa mga Bisaya, nandito ngayon, mayong gabi sa atong tanan! Is earned by consistent effort and sustained by perseverance. Ang isang bagay na mahirap pag araw-arawin mo, one day, may madali na lang. Tama ba? Remember this. What seems impossible today will one day become your warm-up.
Good evening, Peter.
Yeah! Ayan. So again, I don't need to say this, but welcome to the Philippines. I think you've already acclimatized yourself pretty much to us. Yeah, you're saying more Filipino words than we are nowadays. So round of applause, Mr. Peter Ho. Yeah, we were actually here to pick your mind about a couple of things that I'm sure will be able to help our business owners here at Sante. So I guess we can do a little quick question and answer.
Yes.
You be our resource speaker because you're the man who knows and we're the ones who want to know. If that's okay with you?
Yes.
All right, that's good. Question number 1 for 10 points. Now, a lot of people are probably wondering why the Sante products are coming from New Zealand. So I'm going to dive in deeper into why does New Zealand produce such stunning certified organic barley powder?
Well, New Zealand is a just right place to produce
Yes. Now, I have another question for you. You mentioned that New Zealand is the just right location, right? So, of course, being that, you also have to follow certain requirements, right, to be able to produce the best. So, what are the 5 key requirements for producing the best barley powder?
Okay, New Zealand, as I said, is an ideal place to produce barley, and it's 5 things about New Zealand that are key. The first thing is that the soil that we grow the barley in is just the perfect soil for barley. Barley does not like getting damp roots. It doesn't like its feet wet. It must have soil that drains excess water away. And our soils are not only fertile, but they drain away any excess water. They are perfect. They're called silt loams, and they're perfect for growing barley. The second point is that if you came to New Zealand, you would find it a cold place. You would find it cold in the winter, but I can tell you this, the climate is ideal for barley.
pagiging determinado sa pagkuha mo ng mga pangarap mo. Teka, determinado ba kayong makuha ang mga pangarap nyo? Hindi nga naman. Determinado ba kayong makuha ang mga pangarap nyo?
Jr. and Emily Icaya of 494,000. For our top dog, we have Giovanni Flores. We give you our top 8. Janela Mayet Garcia with a total performance bonus of 620,794 pesos and 12 centavos. We have Gerson and IBT Gallego with a total performance bonus of 2,768,886 pesos and 80 centavos. Diego with a total performance bonus of 5,530,955 pesos and 30. Total performance bonus of 6,456,259 pesos and 90 centavos.
Drawing 10 winners of Sunday gift bags worth 5,000. And the winners are
1. Huawei MateBook D17. Congratulations. 2.
congratulations, Bruce Botis. In this room today, thank you so much for staying.
FYI lang po.
Oo.
naman.
Ayan na. Sir Joey.
Uy, Sir Joey.
Kinakabahan na kami para sa inyo, sir.
Alright. So, kailangan nandito siya, di ba?
Kailangan
Yes.
dito.
Pupunta rito is,
Yes.
ano kaya unahin natin doon?
The suspense is killing us. Let's go.
Sige natin kung kabisado yung ID number niya.
Ayan.
Yes, and hindi ko maintindihan.
ID number.
I'll dictate the ID number. Yung number na lang, wala na, huwag na yung first 3 letters. Ang ID number niya, 0, 2, 9, 5, 5, 4, 0, 4. Wala bang sisigaw dyan?
Wala bang sumisigaw?
0, 4, 6. 029-554-046.
May tumatawag! May tumatawag! Marks dun sa mga binilhan.
Ang ano po ang pangalan nyo? Pilita Balbastro po.
Ay, naku. Tama ba?
Ano pong rank nyo sa Sunday? Uy!
Ay.
Wow.
Oh.
Kung kayo po mananalo, may papangako nyo ba magiging diamond kayo?
Oh, yes po!
Sigurado kayo? Gusto nyo ba manalo siya?
Congratulations!
Alright.
Ng isang kotse natin dito, the Chili Cool Ray. Ayan, ma'am. Parang hindi rin siya makapaniwala. Ma'am, itry niyo naman yung kotse nyo. Punta kayo sa kotse nyo.
Alright.
Tandaan
activate lang? Ngayon lang? Anong name mo?
Samsung Videos.
Ang pinili niya is activation. Pakaka-activate ba? Ano in-activate mo? Starter.
Wow! Big time!
Tatanungin mo sana, kung mananalo ko ba ng kotse, igagawin mo bang builder yan or extreme? Congratulations, Samson Val.
Sabay-sabay ka namin tatawagan! At sabay-sabay natin bigyan ang saya ang ating car winner to our Bigo winner. Congratulations!
See you on our next Salvo event.